Okay, so hi guys, welcome to day 2 of grinding out LeetCode till I get a job. Just life update in general. Been drinking more coffee. Been reading this book. Don't know if you can see that, but what they don't teach at business school. Got my little to-do list. Chomping it off. Got my notebook. Whatever. But yeah, today we're going to do a valid anagram question. So as usual, we're gonna go through the question first. Then we're gonna do the note pseudocode. Then we're gonna do um the ID work, and then we're gonna try to see if we can solve the question. But yeah. So what is an anagram? An anagram is a string that contains the exact same characters as another string, but the order of the characters can be different. So this is like, so same characters, but order does not matter. So long as it's the same one, basically. So car race, race car, cool. So given two strings, S and T, return 2 if show true, if same, and we're gonna say false if different. I mean, hmm. Hmm, 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 hmm. Let's go in our IDE and see what we can do. So, let's just say return true, just to get rid of the squiggly lines. Static, so we can import that. Let's just delete that one. Now let's actually think about the logic. So we're saying that S and T, so if S and T equals same, then true, true, yeah. Oh yeah, basically I got 85 and 89 in my uni thing, so I'm getting good grades. Hopefully I get that cheeky little first class, but can I improve? So if it's true, then the same, then true. Else we want to output false. So you wanna so it's a string and we want to compare the characters if they're the same. So order does not matter, just one matches. Okay. So what I think is that this might sound like absolutely stupid, but I can do a hash set of one string, and then if can't add the characters, well no, and then as long as I don't add any characters, then I can say that it's So as long as I don't add any characters, then I can say that is okay. But that means I have to iterate over S. I mean, I guess I would anyway. Just try it, cause why not? Asset characters char that's okay. So for each char and S, I'm happy with that. If chars dot contain C, but that is not the right approach because the questions, like what we have two C's. If I do that, then it's not going to work because it's unique. So that's very, very, very stupid. Don't even know why I thought of that. Yeah. So we're gonna say we wanna compare it. If it's the same, then cool. But if it does not contain the same characters, then we say fine. Like, I would say dictionary. No, that's a bit silly to be fair. So for you know what? Yeah, it's all about learning here. So what we're gonna do? We're going to Google. Okay. So from my extensive research conducted, so we're saying that we have to convert it into a character array. Then we're able to sort that character array. Then we can check each character that matches, and then basically if it doesn't match, then we could just say that it's false, and if it does match and there's no discrepancies, I'd say, then true. So let's have a go. Let's have a go, 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 go. So we're saying char s char equals that, and char t char equals that. And then we're saying that we can sort these array because the anagram is sorted. So sorted because if it is an anagram, then the order will be the same no matter what word it can formulate. So we're gonna say s chars dot sort. No. No, we do like this. So as well as that, let's use the example. Yeah, because like if like it like if I'm not debugging it whilst I'm going along, am I really coding or am I just guessing? Because actually, like this is a journey. It's not like day one I'm banging like leet code, whatever technical. Like I want to learn. I wanna see how far I can get. Like just in general. Because otherwise, I just feel like just kind of a wasted journey. Because it's gonna be growth. Like, because I'm sure like at another point in my career, I'm not going to like just have that. I'm gonna have to skill up and relearn and do whatever I need to do. So yeah, okay. The only thing I really want to see is this. Yeah, I just want to see that. Let's just see what's going on. So 7, yeah, race car, car race. See if it's so set. So see what I mean? Even though it says race car, it's still gonna be sorted. AACCER. That one's gonna be that. It's gonna be sorted. And just to see like this wise, I wanna see where it prints out. So yeah, that's just because it's writing on the same line, but like you can see the pattern is exactly the same. So can be a bit cheeky now. And we're gonna say whilst I is less than, I don't know, like s dot s chars dot length I plus plus. Okay, so if s chars I is not equal to t chars I, like we said again, false. And we can just break it. False. Break. Do you know what? Let's give it a variable. So let's just say boolean is and is I don't know, because I think that's a very nice name. I think that's a very pretty name. So we're gonna say is Anna is false, and then we just say we break it because wait. So if it's not true, is Anna's false. Else is Anna is true. Like the term is Anna. And you know what? Let's just console right line. Wait, why would that not go? No, it would be fine. No, cause I don't really think that's right, cause it's not. see what you mean. Yeah, and I'm learning Vim, so I might be a rookie right now, but you know, it's not always gonna be this way. See? Who's a rookie now? Yeah, okay, cancel the right line. This is Anna. Return is Anna. So with the two examples, yeah, and let's just use like so let's see how this works. So first one, Anna's gotta be true. Bottom one, Anna gotta be false. If then I have faith. So true, false. Beautiful. Let's clean up some code. Sure, I can leave that in there. Yeah, it's fine. Let's run. So where's it gonna be? Where's it gonna be? Where's it gonna be? Where's it gonna be? Test case, please. Accepted, accepted. And then what is gonna happen? Index was outside of bounds. Doesn't that mean that I do this? What? Back to the drawing board. Why would it be out of bounds? Why would it be out of bounds? Why would it be out of bounds? So why would that be out of bounds? Maybe, I'm not sure to be fair. Maybe we could just make it more accurate, because I know I saw somebody do something like this. And also, if it's not the same length, then there is not a Scooby that it can be an anagram. So what does that mean? That means if s dot length is not equal to t dot length, return false. Okay. Just see how this one does. So I solved it. You know, I didn't think I was gonna solve that, but yeah, thanks for watching, guys.